Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your AirPods Pro from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings, and now you have two options. The first one is to tap at the headphones line at the top. You'll find this line if your headphones connected with your iPhone. Tap at this line, and we have this menu. Also, this menu you can find if you go to the Bluetooth and then click the information icon near to your earbuds. Now you need to scroll down, and at the bottom you'll find disconnect button. You need to tap at this button, but before I tap on it, I will quickly explain to you the difference between disconnect and unpair. So when you select to disconnect your earbuds, you will stop Bluetooth connection with them, but leave them at the device list, and in the future you can reconnect them. And if you select to unpair your earbuds, you will totally remove these earbuds from your phone. So if you need this, just select forget this device button. But let's disconnect them. So disconnect. And as I tell you, I just stop Bluetooth connection with these earbuds, but still have them at the device list, and in the future I can reconnect them by just tap at the headphones. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!